Again, my name is Alexis. I am the owner of a Sweet Effects LLC. We create everything dipped in chocolate, if you want to say. During the pandemic, it was all about having multiple streams of income. But I knew I wanted something that I could personally control, build, and grow, but on my own terms. When starting out, it's common. You have multiple hats. You're the owner, CEO, you're handling marketing, you're doing sales, customer service, production, but you have to delegate. Always stay true to your vision. It's so easy to get caught up in what you're seeing in social media and comparing yourself and your business to others. But please always remember, I have to say it to myself every single day. No one can do what you do the way you do it.